Hello and welcome to Research channel. Under UGC NET exams since 2019, the trend of comprehension-based questions has been seen. Hence, in this video, I will list out the probable topics that might be asked in 2022 attempt. Therefore, stay connected with this video to know the topics. Under law paper, usually 2 comprehension-based questions are asked, comprising 10 questions in total, which means 5 questions from each comprehension, which is quite substantial in number. You cannot ignore this thing. Now coming to the point, based on the previous year paper trend, one comprehension is mostly based on the recent landmark judgments from Constitution subject, right? Especially the landmark judgments of past 2 to 3 years, not the most recent one, right? Please note over here. And just to simplify it, the cases which has got consideration over the fundamental rights available under Part 3 of the Constitution. So these kind of cases has got more chances to occur in the examination, right? And if I talk about the second comprehension is mostly based on the theories from jurisprudence or international law. So let's start with some important judgments from Constitution. The first case that comes under our list is Anuradha Bhasin versus Union of India. This is a case of year 2020, wherein it was held that access to internet is an integral part of Article 90, which is freedom of expression. Together with this, the proportionality test was upheld in this case. So these two are the important things given under this case. And together with this, you can also remember the bench, right? It's because sometimes they may come up with a question with respect to the bench, right? Next important case is Indian Young Lawyers Association versus State of Kerala, popularly known as Sabrimala Temple case, wherein it was argued that provisions related to the restriction of women entry in temple are unconstitutional, as it does violate Articles 14, 15, 17, 25 and 26 of Indian Constitution. Together with that, you can also go through the dissenting judgment given by Justice Indu Malhotra. The third important case that might be asked in the examination is Mukesh Kumar versus State of Uttarakhand. So this is also a case of year 2020. Since a lot of discussions and arguments with respect to right of promotion has been seen lately, that's why I have included this case. So under this case, it was held that state governments are not bound to fill vacancies. So under this case, what you should do? You should go through the provisions of Articles 16 Clause 4 and Clause 4A, right? And just try to understand the relevance of Article 16. And just also make a note of it that which clause was added, right? Now the fourth case, which might come under the comprehension-based question, is Jayashree Lakshman Rao Patil versus Chief Minister of Maharashtra, right? So this is a recent case decided in year 2021, wherein one of the acts named as Maharashtra Socially and Educationally Backward Classes Act 2018 was challenged. The reason why I have included in the list is because Supreme Court had revisited one of the landmark case, which is Indira Sahani case. Hence, this is one of the compelling reasons to include this very case. So just precisely go through the points with respect to Indira Sahani case referred in this instant case, right? Hence, these were some cases which you shouldn't ignore before taking the exam. Moreover, apart from these cases, you have to well prepare the other landmark cases. You cannot rely only on the few cases, right? Because from Constitution, major questions will be asked. So please keep a note of this thing. Now, let's just switch over to second comprehension. So second comprehension is mostly based on the legal theories or the conceptual framework of international law or jurisprudence. If I talk about jurisprudence, let's just explore the topics which might come under the comprehension. So the first topic is social engineering theory, which was propounded by Roscoe Pound. So under this, just try to understand that what was social engineering theory and what were the jural postulates, right, given by Roscoe Pound. Second topic is relationship between law and morality, right, wherein you are going to find a debate between Fuller and Hart, right? So just also go through it. The other theories which might come in the comprehension is ownership, possession and the rights theories, right? So just see, anyhow you are actually going to prepare about these theories. So just prepare them concretely, right? Just try to understand the relevance of these theories, right? Now, if I talk about the other topics, which is law, poverty and development, global justice, modernism and postmodernism, these three topics, right, they are open-ended. So for this, what you can do is just try to understand the concept, right, the conceptual framework of these three topics, and explore the thinkers who supported or criticized these theories, right. It will be sufficient for you. Now, under international law, you must have seen various theories and doctrines given under the international law, right? But for the comprehension-based questions, just try to focus on the naturalist theory, positivist theory, and eclectic theory, right? And together with that, also try to understand and memorize the supporters, like who were the supporters of these theories and what they have propounded. Next one is theories of recognition. So theories of recognition, as you know, it forms the important part of EIL. So under this also we have got two theories. So also just go through them and just understand their relevance and just try to know that what is the difference between them, right? So this is it for the international law. So by now, you must be well preparing for UGC NET exam. You must be practicing previous year papers and revising the concepts. But if you get the habit of daily solving some questions, then it will ease out your preparation. Hence, join our Telegram channel with the link given in the description box and get prepared well for the exam. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video with your friends and do subscribe to Research Academy to get the further updates.